Are you struggling to log into your Gmail account? Or maybe you just got a new device and need a refresher? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide to logging into Gmail quickly and safely. Stick around because I'll also show a tip to protect your account when using shared devices. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you trust. In the address bar, type mail.google.com and hit enter. You'll land on Gmail's homepage. Next, click the sign in button at the top right corner. A new page will appear asking for your Gmail address or phone number linked to your account. Type it carefully, then click next. Now, enter your password. Remember, Gmail passwords are case sensitive, so double check capitalization and special characters. Once you've typed it correctly, click next. If all the information is correct, you'll be directed straight to your inbox, your hub for reading emails, composing new messages, and managing all your Gmail settings. Here's an important tip. If you're logging in on a shared or public device, always click your profile icon at the top right and select sign out when you're done. This keeps your account safe and prevents others from accessing your personal emails. And that's it. Logging into Gmail is simple once you know the steps, and following this guide ensures your account stays secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future tips on mastering Gmail and other Google tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.